How to fix the issue of Snapchat ban on your device. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Snapchat application ban on your device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly we need to make sure the Snapchat application on our device is up to date. So go to Google Play Store and on search bar type Snapchat. As you can see the option of update, so do click on it and let your application be updated, as sometimes outdated application can also cause problem. After that, tap and hold on Snapchat and go to app info. Here we will need to clear cache such that it works smoothly. So click on storage and there you will need to click on clear data and choose the option of clear cache. Now if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to use a VPN application and make sure you don't choose the country and location where the Snapchat is banned. So that's all. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Snapchat device ban. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.